Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we shall learn example number 3 of chapter Introduction to Trigonometry, chapter number 8, class 10th. So what is example number 3 given here? Consider triangle ACB, right angle at C, in which AB is equal to 29 units, BC is equal to 21 units, and angle ABC is equal to theta. Determine the values of first cos square theta plus sin square theta, second cos square theta minus sin square theta. So this is the right angle triangle ACB, right angle at C. So this is right angle. So what is given for this question? AB is equal to 29 units and BC is equal to 21 units and angle ABC is equal to theta. So here theta is angle B. So this is acute angle. So middle letter B you have to take as theta as per the question. Now you have to determine the values of this first one and second one. So before determining the values of this first and second, you must know the value of the third side. What is the value of third side? It is not given. So therefore you have to find out the value of AC. Only two sides length is given, that is BC 21 units given and AB is 29 units given. So therefore you have to find out the third side value, that is AC. So to get the value of third side, you must use the Pythagoras property. Then only you will get the value of this AC. Before writing the Pythagoras property, let me tell you what is base, what is perpendicular, and what is hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. Here base is BC. Why this is base? Because right angle and acute angle is available on one side. What is perpendicular here? AC is a perpendicular. Why? Opposite to acute angle is always perpendicular. And what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AB. Why this is a hypotenuse? Because opposite to right angle is always hypotenuse. Now let us write the Pythagoras property to find out the value of this AC. So what is Pythagoras property? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So what is hypotenuse for this right angle triangle? AB. AB whole square is equal to base is BC. BC whole square plus perpendicular is AC. AC whole square. So what is AB given? 29 whole square is equal to BC is 21 whole square plus AC is you have to find out. So 29 square is 841. What is the 21? What is the square of 21? 441 plus AC whole square. So this 441 you have to bring to left hand side. 841 minus 441 is equal to AC whole square. So if you subtract this 841 minus 441, you will get the answer 400 is equal to AC whole square. Let me bring this AC square right hand side and this 400 to left hand side. AC is equal to this square you have to bring to right hand side. That time you are getting here square root now. So this is 400. So what is the square root of 400? 20. So AC is equal to 20 units. So this is 20 now. Now we got the values of all three sides AB, BC and AC. Now you have to determine the values of cos square theta plus sin square theta and second cos square theta minus sin square theta. For this question only cos and sin is available. So you have to find out the sin theta and cos theta. So what is the ratio of sin? For that you have to write one small trick, that is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. So this is sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. So what is the ratio of sin? P upon H. P upon H. And what is the ratio of cos? B upon H. which angle here we have taken? B. So therefore perpendicular of this sin theta is AC. And what is hypotenuse? AB. So AC is how much? 20 and AB is 29. And cos theta BC and hypotenuse is AB. So BC is how much? 21 divided by AB is 29. Now let us determine the first, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta. Let me write here cos square theta plus sin square theta. So here cos theta we got the value as 21 upon 29. 21 upon 29. And this is square, you have to write here whole square, plus sin theta we got 20 upon 29. 20 upon 29. And this is square, you have to write here whole square, is equal to, here denominator is same, no? So that's why you have to write here down 29 whole square. So 21 upon 29 whole square it is, and here 20 upon 29 whole square it is. And this numerator 21 and 20 you have to write here at numerator place, 21 square plus 20 square. If it is denominator is different, that time you have to cross multiply or you have to find out the LCM. But for this case, no, denominator is same, so that's why you have to write this 29 square at denominator place. Now you have to write the square of each, 21, then 20 and 29. So what is the square of 21? 441. And what is the square of 20? 400. And what is the square of 29 square? It is 841. This 441 plus 400 is how much? 841 divided by 841. So answer is 1. If you divide this 841 upon 841, you will get the answer 1. So first question is cos square theta plus sin square theta is answer 1. Second case is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So what is the value of cos theta? We got 21 upon 21. So 21 upon 29. 21 upon 29. And this you have to write in whole square. Why? This is square given here. Then minus, what is the sin theta? We got here 20 upon 29. 20 upon 29. Whole square. So this is square. That's why you have to write whole square. Now for this case also, denominator are same, so therefore you have to write this 29 here at denominator place, and it is, you have to write in square. And then this 21 and 20 square you have to write here. So 21 square minus 20 square. Now what is the square of 21? It is 441. Minus what is the square of 20? 400. Divided by what is the square of 29? 841. Now if we subtract this, 441 minus 400, you will get the answer 41 divided by 841. So answer for this second case is cos square theta minus sin square theta is 41 upon 841. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment, share, and please do subscribe to my channel.